How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, it's about that time of year I do my annual Toy Tractor Hoard Room update video for 2019. I do one of these every single year so we can kind of see if the collection's kind of growing and whatnot. Now, I know I did sell a few pieces off there a year or two ago. I think it was close to 2 years ago now. I sold some stuff off, but I've added a little bit more since then. Not a whole lot. I know toys have kind of been on the back burner on the channel here and whatnot lately just because, well, we're fixing another truck up there, the '05 GM in the driveway there. I bought the Denali. Gonna be buying that trailer here shortly and whatnot. So this year I think it's gonna be a year to have the 1820 and a few more shows like Cookstown and Melton and whatnot. Of course, we're featuring Cockshot at Cookstown this year, so we'll have some big tractor videos for you guys this year. I think, well, more than usual anyway. So yeah, toys have kind of been put in the back burner here. I did pick up a few pieces last year in the earlier part of this year. Not too much, not like I used to though, but nonetheless I still got quite a hefty collection here to take a look through, and obviously toys are still going to be part of our channel and whatnot. I just don't get really the chance to do it quite so often like I used to. You know, of course life happens too. So anyway, we'll start with the greatest farm toy collection on YouTube shelf. Now, most of you guys know that this shelf here is my little separate collection apart from my personal collection here. That this is all my YouTube fan mail I've received over the years. So this is all thanks to you guys, and as always, if you'd like to send something in to the greatest farm toy collection on YouTube, the PL box address is in the description box down below. And anytime we make a movie in the Toy Tractor Hoard Room here, you can always be a part of the videos. Got some great pieces on that shelf already. Now, my kind of red power shelf here. We've got McCormick Deering on the top, and then some Farm All stuff. Of course, you guys, most of you know the little McCormick Deering W4 kit I got from Jolly's Farm Toys there last year, or the year before. Geez, time goes so fast, I almost forget now. Anyway, if you're interested in one of those kits, you can give me or Nick a shout, and we can set you up with one. There's F20 Precision there, 560 Precision. I sold a lot of my I8 stuff and haven't really added to it too much. I don't think I bought anything red in the last year since my last video anyway. Got some stuff on the top that I might do some restore stuff there on the later on this year. That was one of my brother's toys there. That my brother doesn't really do farm toys, but may eventually restore that one. It's been repainted once, but not like sandblast, not like what I do now. That trophy back there, if any of you guys are wondering, that's the best restored gas engine from the Pioneer Days show in Middleville, Ontario, 1976. That was for my grandfather's 6-horse McCormick Deering engine. Of course, this is my 1/64 scale collection here in the glass cabinets. I used to have my Precisions over here, but I think I'm going to do some oddball 1/64s in like a New Holland shelf over there. But in the John Deere cabinet, we got, you know, 4-wheel drives, row crops, and everything's kind of organized in by generation and model number. I'm sure you guys can tell that. 2 cylinders down here in the bottom. I've pretty well got one of every major model that John Deere ever built, other than I think an AR, BR, kind of oddball stuff like that. But of course I have to build those. Just haven't had any time to do that. Got combines down there on the bottom. Equipment and whatnot. Same kind of story for the red power lineup. You got your I got that chrome chase unit there a few years ago. I'm not sure if you guys can see that through the glare on the glass or not. Oh, here comes the furnace. So we'll check in with you guys here in a second when the furnace shuts back off. So anyway, yeah, this is the red power 4-wheel drives here. I think I was saying before the furnace came on there. Red power row crops. Some case stuff down there, and the stagger set, and I got the 1/64 5 millionth International. Couple sets there. Of course, the red combines. You got kind of the same thing as a John Deere cabinet going on over here. This cabinet's kind of like an Agco cabinet, so I've got the 3 major manufacturers all together. So I've got, of course, my personal favorites, as most of you guys know. I'm an Oliver guy at heart here, so got some custom stuff here. I built that one right there in the middle. That's a 1828 like my big one that I built, custom built for my collection. Of course, I'm still looking to do a 1/16 version of that tractor. Just never have any time to do anything anymore, it seems like. Of course, got some custom 1/64 scale cock shots. We got Alice Chalmers, Rumley, Minneapolis Moline, White, Massey Ferguson. I think probably maybe this summer, if I see some stuff that catches my eye, which seems to be the theme lately. The only time I'm buying tractors, if I see something that catches my eye. I think I want to expand my Agco shop here a little bit. Like, I want to get some more Alice Chalmers and some more White and Agco and whatnot. I see Toy Tractor Time just released a whole bunch of White tractors. And of course, this shelf here, I haven't added anything to it. This is just kind of big collector stuff, 4-wheel drives. Got Kenzie Cart and the Outlaw Challenger Chase unit and Challenger. The collectible H&S wagons, versatile in the back, the Wright 750, the Big Blue Kenzie, which I got from Jolly's Farm Toys last time I went. Still been meaning to make a trip down to see Nick once again, but like I said, never any time to do nothing anymore, it seems. The S88 Gleaner Combine and a 525/50 Big Bud. I'd like to get a few more Big Buds too, but they're awfully pricey right now. And of course, I got some custom trucks down here I did and whatnot, DCP Pete and whatnot. Some Ertl trucks I custom did a long time ago, some custom pickups I did. And of course, the little Ford New Holland shelf I've got going on down here. Now, I know you guys have mentioned to me before in the past that you wanted to see me do a 1/64 scale farm display, which we'd love to do for you guys, but like I said, never enough hours in the day to do anything anymore, so. I used to have one a long time ago, but you know, I like to do a little display in the corner for you guys. You guys can kind of see how to do some stuff, and I think it'd be a good video for YouTube. And one of my personal favorite shelves, of course, Oliver Hartpar, or Oliver White Farm Equipment, or whatever you want to call them, because the name's changed quite a few times. Got the Hartpar number 3 up there in the corner. And I think I'm going to try to pick up another one of these Oliver 90s. I want to do a custom 99 like what my grandfather used to have, and then I learned how to drive a tractor on an Oliver 99, and I used to also drive an Oliver 80 standard. So I was also looking to pick up another one of these row crop versions, and I'll do a gas version of an Oliver 80 standard. There never was a diesel version produced in standard. Would like to do those, but as always, never enough time. 70s, and this one here was for the Manicoto show, I think in 1992. I haven't seen too many of those standard eats around. I haven't seen a whole lot. Of course, we got 3-digit series here, kind of going backwards. The Super Series, fleet lines and whatnot. I got lots of brochures and hats. You guys know I collect pretty much anything to do with tractors. We got 4-digit series here. We've got the 1955 Toy Tractor Times edition here. We got some melting steam area. Yep, that'll be here before you know it. Got some Cockshut stuff here. I'm still looking to pick up the Cockshut 30 model kit from Nick, so it might be an expensive trip to go down to Nick's now, I'm starting to think, but that's okay. It'd make a good video for you guys. Of course, you got the 1855 Cockshut Chase unit. Then, that's of course the 1-to-1 scale 1937 Cockshut Hartpar 1828 that I'm looking to buy the trailer to, so we can get that up here for Cookstown and Milton this year. So maybe more. You never know what's going to happen. And of course, we got the other green machine here, John Deere. So I got quite an extensive collection of 2-cylinders here. Little BR I custom built a few years ago. And we've got the number series down here. There's that True Scale 60 I did I think it was last winter. Restored that up. Of course, there's the 820 Stefan I got. The Yoder 730. Then there's that Trum 830, along with the 200th birthday of John Deere 830. That's kind of been what I've been collecting lately. I've kind of been looking for the early 80s custom tractors and whatnot, so that's kind of been what I've been buying lately. Trending, we should say, in YouTube language. I've got that Cottonwood Acres Combine I still haven't found anything for yet. The plow I kind of rebuilt. Some more tractors here. There's that 7810 I started last winter. It's still needs some details and whatnot, but one of these days, 4450 Elite Precision. There's a combine I restored, and there's some. Still got to pick up a set of disc gangs and the planter box and the row markers for the 494 combine I got in the auction score there almost 2 years ago. And of course, that's about the end of it there. So yeah, not sure what we'll add to the collection this year, but in 2020 we'll make another update video, and who knows what's going to be in here. You never know what's going to happen. So anyway, if you guys like that video, please comment, rate, subscribe.